Sean Petersen from the Archive and Heritage Group. We specialize in the GLAM DAM sector, and we've taken access to memory, Atom, and we added add-ins or extensions to fulfill all of the needs of the GLAM DAM industry. In this session, I'm going to show you our report builder. So I'm logged in. I'll click on Manage, the central dashboard. You'll see on the left-hand side, the first option is the report builder. There is already predefined reports. But to create a new report, I can say create report. I can give it a name. Description report by type, just to have it. Then there's predefined reports already set up. So from this you will get the different fields. So you can select from any of these reports. I will select archival description. We'll go down and say continue to the designer. You will see it automatically now saves the report. It is obviously not completed yet, so I will go down. There's my report. I can say edit the report. And on the left hand side, you can see you can make it private or public. These are all the columns available. So I want to say, give me the title, the repository, and any other fields you want, created date, publication status. You can then also say, but I want publication status to be published. You can add more columns. You can sort by a specific column. So only be sorted by the title. Then you will see it adds all the fields. I want the publication status on top of created. And then I can save, and you will now see that the report is saved. I can say preview the data, and then you can see the objects available. I can then say either export to CSV, Excel spreadsheet, or a PDF. I can schedule these reports to run on a specific date and time so that you can have the reports on your desktop available as soon as they run. I will show you that if I preview the data, you can either see the table or you can see a chart if it's applicable for a chart, and it will show you more statistics. Thank you. This is about the report writer. Talk in the next session.